get moving.
Loose tops and royals.
Ease off the wind.
Place hard back! They're too close, sir!
Unfurled mains. Let's move.
Loose tops and royals.
Sticks! As much sail as you can!
Loose tops.
The topsails and gallants! The yards off the wind!
Lash those sheets tight! Hooray!
Get the mains free!
Bloody!
Fire! Loose all and trim sharp to the wind! Fire! Fire!
Good turn!
Fire!
Easy play!
Warship incoming, Captain!
The stunson! Fire!
Awaiting orders, sir!
Get the men! These are sticks!
On the flanks! Chief Breaker! Get in here!
Fire!
Taking a blow, Captain!
Fire! Loose and trim too!
Full sails!
Fire!
Race! Look on the deck! On the flanks! He's breaking up! Hold it steady, Jones! And ho! Veer off, Captain! Say, but break up! Tight, or she'll leave! Hold it steady, Jones! Tumble up, all hands! Ha ha! We've been hit!
Fasten yourselves! Fire!
That's the last of them. Then let us go on. Not too far from Anticosti Island now.
Will your friend the spy be waiting for us?
Yes. I hope the chasseur has more information than the manuscript.
Maybe he'll have the whole thing figured out for us.
And maybe I'm Emperor of Rome.
Ave Caesar! Salt air, open skies. A man out on the ocean is as free as a man can be. What do you say, Liam?
We're out here for a reason, Shay. Mind your duty.
Well, what's the point of freedom if you cannot breathe deep and enjoy it?
The Templars stick to this continent like tar. I won't feel liberated until we pry them off.
Seems to me we should just talk to them like men, instead of skulking around.
And would you smile and wish them a good day as they lay their boot on your neck?
Of course not.
They're murderous bastards who want to control the world and everything. Never forget.
We have nothing in common with that, of course. Brief it on, tops!
Aboard, Captain!
Who up top?
Give me some speed! Don't roll my veins!
Reef the mains! Blew up gallants! Careful! It's quite a rough squall, Captain.
There it is. Anticosti.
Le Chasseur should be there. And with any luck, he will know where to find that manuscript.
The gallants and riots!
And your sheets!
Let out some sail!
Should be nearby, Captain. Dock the ship here, Captain. We've arrived at Anticosti Island.
Go on ahead, Shay. We will meet you at the fort.
The rum here is terrible. Let me see. That's not rum. It's eau de vie. What the devil is that? Whiskey. Well, the whiskey here.
So, Louis Joseph, how go- Take a look at this. I borrowed these plans from a Royal Navy ship of the line. They are like nothing I have ever seen.
Good. We could use some more powerful weapons. Le Chasseur, allow me to present our associate, Shay Cormac.
Gentlemen, I have news. On this same ship, I spied the manuscript you seek. It was written in an exotic language I did not recognize and was full of drawings, plants, and animals out of an opium dream.
Were there no charts, no maps?
No. There may have been some kind of code, but neither I nor the roast beefs could ken
Where's
it.
the manuscript now?
The man who brought it said a man named Washington sent him.
I know that name. He's an important Templar, isn't he?
He is. Lawrence Washington has great ambitions that Templars have helped fulfill. Shay, let's return and find him. You, sir, have our thanks.